Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's episode. Today is Monday and marks the beginning of a new week. So, before we go to the charts, let's check fundamentals. And looking at the entire week, this week, so today, as Monday, do we have news? We have Empire State Manufacturing Index at 12:30, and that's actually a medium impact. We are expecting negative news. Tomorrow we have Canadian CPI. But USD we have retail sales. We have retail sales for USD and positive core retail sales and negative retail sales. So positive and negative. On Wednesday, we have FOMC, and there is a high potential rate cut, right? High potential, like people are all talking about it. Oh, Fed is going to cut rate, Fed is going to cut rate, Fed is going to cut rate. So Wednesday, we should expect some crazy market day. All right, crazy volatility day, actually, at 6 p.m. and 6:30 p.m. Ghana time. Now, um, on Thursday, we have unemployment claims, and we'll be expecting positive data. Fed manufacturing index, we'll be expecting positive data. On Friday, there will be no news for us. So these are the fundamentals we have ahead of us. Now let's go to the chart. And last Friday, I told you guys I'm not trading, right? I told you guys I'm not trading, and I gave you where you should expect the market, and it did exactly like that in the zone, and there was no much volatility last Friday. So the market was just buying and selling in that zone like that. All right, so what is likely to happen today? Let's find out. First of all, weekly chart. So if you look at the weekly chart, we can see clearly that last week the market has been crazy in the upside. Strong buys. And last week too, we had some strong all-time high where the market went all the way to 36.74 and closed at 36.42. All right. Yeah. So are we still going to see more upside or downside? Let's go to daily and find out what's happening in daily. Now, if you look at daily, you can see that daily has been struggling. The market has been struggling on daily time frame for a long time, right? When it got here, that was last week, Monday, and Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, you can see that it all got rejected around the 36, 30 zone, got rejected over there, which indicating that the market is likely having some kind of selling pressure. And at what point can the market really sell? There can be a massive sell-off if gold daily managed to close below 36.25. Then we can see some sell-off back to 35.87 and also 35.60. And eventually maybe it can literally collapse back to the 34 zone or even something like that. All right. So for the purpose of today, what should we expect? I'll be expecting a sell-off to the 36.25. All right. The 36.25, then it will tell me whether the market really wants to go up or down. All right. That is what I will be expecting to happening today. And if that happens, it will be a good thing for me. So all we'll have to do is to watch and see to the very end. Now let's go to H4. If you come to H4, you can see how H4 is behaving. Yeah, you can see. So H4 has a buy, right? Has a buy right there, of which the market is even approaching. Market is getting closer to the buy almost, right? And is it going to hold or not? So from 25 all the way to 20. So let's wait and see what happens at that particular area. And if the market rejects over there might be a continuation buy, but you can see that we're also having some form of a triple top B, kind of, right? So what does it mean for the market? So this is our support, and that's our resistance right there. All we need is patience, and we will see what exactly is going to happen. So if you look at H1, you can see that, yes, we have H1 bullish engulfing right here, right? So this is going to be the buy zone, as I spoke about. Yeah, so we will wait in this zone and see what exactly is going to happen. Whether the market is going to reject for us to buy or not. So just sit back, relax, and whatever happens, both of us, everybody is going to see. So I'll be looking for a buy over here, back to somewhere here. All right. And how many pips is that? I think this is 200 pips zone. Yeah, it's 200 pips zone. So we will see. And after that, whatever happens next, the market is going to show us whether he will continue to push high or he will break and go lower. All right. So guys, all we need is patience. Allow the market to play out. Once we get a good opportunity, we can go into it and trade. This is PiP Hunter here, and the PiP must pay. Make sure to manage your risk very well, because you have no idea of which trade hitting your TP and which trade hitting your stop loss. It is only risk management which can keep you active in the game for the long run. Until then, if you look here, we have some minor zone. We have a zone here actually which the market might still respect or break. All right, so let's wait, but I am interested in the lower zone and not the upper this zone. We are still in the Asian session, of which I don't trade during that session. So let's just wait and see to the very end. So until then, I'll see you in the next video, and have a nice day.